In a statement on Sunday, the Saudi Foreign Ministry accused Netanyahu of attempting to divert attention from Israel's ongoing crimes in Gaza, including ethnic cleansing. The kingdom affirms that the Palestinian people have a right to their land, and they are not intruders or immigrants to it, who can be expelled whenever the brutal Israeli occupation wishes, said the foreign ministry. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia appreciates the condemnation, disapproval and total rejection announced by the brotherly countries towards what Benjamin Netanyahu stated regarding the displacement of the Palestinian people. The Saudis can create a Palestinian state in Saudi Arabia. They have a lot of land over there, Netanyahu said. The interviewer replied that it was an idea worth exploring. The exchange drew angry reactions from Arab states, including Qatar, Jordan, Egypt, the United Arab Emirates, Kuwait and Iraq, as well as the Six-Nation Gulf Cooperation Council (GCC). These dangerous and irresponsible statements confirm the approach of the Israeli occupation forces in their disrespect for international and UN laws and treaties and the sovereignty of states, said GCC Secretary General Jasem Mohammed al-Badawi. The Saudi Foreign Ministry thanked the brotherly countries for denouncing Netanyahu's remarks. Discussions of the fate of Palestinians in Gaza had already been appended by an earlier shock proposal from United States President Donald Trump for the U.S. to take over and own Gaza, resettling Palestinians elsewhere in a move that would amount to ethnic cleansing. That suggestion, amid a fragile ceasefire between Israel and Hamas in Gaza, has also been roundly condemned by Arab leaders. Trump has also said Saudi Arabia would not require the formation of a Palestinian state as a precondition to normalize ties with Israel, a claim Riyadh has repeatedly denied.